Yeah, good morning and welcome back, my friends. See, today we are uploading Rust Programming Inside Out, Chapter 8 of 41 Plus. Chapter 8 of 41 Plus. So far, we have uploaded up to Chapter 7 of 41 Plus. See, in this video, we are actually continuing our discussions on what is called the number separator concept. We had already done the description on number separator in the previous video. So in this video we are actually bringing out one example program also on number separator. After that we move on to what is called the Boolean types available in the Rust language. We are discussing some example programs also from the Boolean types. Now let us go into the video file. Yeah, in this program we are discussing number separator. Number separator. Already I have given you a very clear explanation of what exactly is number separator in the previous slide. In the previous slide I have explained the concept of a number separator with great detail. Okay. We are actually considering a program on that. Here in this program, we are actually considering a program to demonstrate the concept of number separator. Before that, again, I am just reminding you, you have to create a project. You should not forget that. Always you create a project. Go to File, then come to New, and then come to Project, like this. So don't put anything here. Here it is, Rust Cargo project. Double click that. Double click that. Rust Cargo project, you double click, automatically your project is created in the default directory, users, admin, Eclipse, workspace, etc. See, here is the name of your new project. New underscore Rust underscore project and underscore 10 it would be. This time it is 10. See, new underscore Rust underscore project underscore 10. It's like that. You'll be getting it automatically created. You don't have to do anything. Only a few clicks. You are getting a project, fully functional project. Into the project, the src directory is there. It's main.rs. You are just typing your code. Fine. I think it's very clear. Okay, I'll cancel it. So now look, you have that main.rs. Into this, we are now typing our code. Look, / number separator. I explained the concept of number separator. Fine. Now look, fn, main. So fn for function, main function. Everything is in lowercase. Fn, function main. Fn means function. Function main. Open the brace on the same line. Fine. Next, let float underscore with underscore separator. Float with separator. We'll just call as float with separator. It's a variable of type C, float with separator. Let underscore float underscore with underscore separator is equal to 11 underscore 000.555 underscore 001 semicolon. See, 11 underscore. We never use a comma, you know it. We can't use that. So 11 underscore 000 dot or decimal, for that decimal point, or dot 555 underscore 001 semicolon. See, an underscore can be used like this. You can use an underscore like this. Look. See, it's actually 11,000.555.0001. That is actually the meaning of it. But we can express it like this only with the help of a number separator. Fine, because it is a large number. Then println macro. We are calling the println macro in bracket. Within double quote, float to value, the placeholder. The whole thing is within double quote, comma. Float to value. After that, the placeholder It's nothing but a pair of braces or a pair of curly brackets like this, empty curly brackets. Okay, double quote, within double quote, float value, that placeholder, the whole thing is within double quote, comma, float underscore with underscore separator, that particular variable, float with separator. Close the bracket, semicolon. Close the bracket, semicolon. Fine. Now look what is happening next. Let int underscore with underscore separator. Let us call it as let int with separator is equal to 50 underscore 000 semicolon. 50 underscore 000 semicolon. Fine. Next. Print ln macro in bracket within double quote int value, that placeholder, the whole thing is within double quote, comma, int underscore with underscore separator. That's nothing but that variable, int with separator. Close the bracket, semicolon. The next line is the closing brace for our main function. The closing brace for our main function. It's very simple. See, I have written the output is as under. Float value 11,000 point 5550001. Okay, it's a large quantity. Then again, int value 50,000. Fine. This is exactly the output. I'll show you the output. Now everything we have saved. We'll click here. Then here we will click. Just okay. See, float value 11,000.555001. Next, int value 50,000. So that is the use of this number separator. It's very simple a concept. We will now come to an end. Fine.
Boolean, fine. Boolean types have two possible values. Boolean types have two possible values, full stop. They are true or false. You know it, they are true or false, full stop. Use the bool keyword to declare a Boolean variable. You have to use the bool keyword to declare a Boolean variable. An example follows. A very simple example follows. Look, fn function main on the same line, open the brace. Then we are actually declaring a Boolean variable. See, we are using the let keyword. Let is fun. The name of the Boolean variable is fun. We are keeping a colon immediately after that. Then we are keeping the data type bool is equal to true. We are initializing it with true. So the Boolean variable by name is fun of type bool is now initialized with true. That's it. Let is fun colon bool is equal to true semicolon. Fine. You know there should be a semicolon after every program statement in Rust. Then println macro. We are calling the println macro in bracket within double quote. Look, within double quote. Is Rust programming fun? A question mark. After that, there is a pair of curly brackets. The whole thing is within double quote. See, within double quote, we are simply is Rust programming fun? A question mark followed by a pair of curly brackets or braces. That whole thing is within double quote. After that, comma. Then we are passing the variable by name is fun. Is fun is a bool variable. We are passing the bool variable is fun. Close the bracket, semicolon. Close the bracket and then semicolon. Fine. Next line, the closing brace. The next line is closing brace. Fine. So the output is very simple. Output is as under. Is Rust programming fun? The question mark is there. True. It is true. We have initialized the Boolean variable with the true already. So that's why is Rust programming fun? A question mark. True. Because we are initialized with the true. That's all. Very simple it is.
Yeah, here we are creating a program on Boolean types. On Boolean types. I have explained the Boolean types, everything in the previous slide. Okay, fine. Now we will just have a simple program on that. Before that, again I am reminding you regarding the creation of a project for managing your program. So look, go to File, come to New, and then click Project. Don't do anything here. This is the Rust Cargo project. Double click it. See, your project is already created automatically. See, it is nothing but new underscore Rust underscore project underscore, it will be 11. See, it is the 11th project. New underscore Rust underscore project underscore 11. Fine. In that src directory is there. In that, this main.rs. It is main.rs. In this main.rs only you are actually typing your program. Fine, it's very simple. You know all those things. But again and again I am just reminding you. Just cancel it. Now look, we have this. I have some comments. Look. Boolean types have two possible values. True or false. You know it. Boolean types have only two possible values. That's nothing but true or false. Use the bool keyword to declare a Boolean variable. We have to use the bool keyword to declare a Boolean variable. Look, next. Fn. Fn for function. Main. The main function. Function main. Everything is in lowercase. Open the brace on the same line. Next. Let. Is fun colon bool is equal to true. Semicolon. The Boolean variable's name is fun. It's of type bool. So that's why colon bool. It is initialized with the value true. There is only two possible values. One is true and the other is false. Here we have initialized the is fun Boolean value with the true. With the true. We are initialized with the true. Semicolon. Then println macro. We are calling the println macro in bracket within double quote. Is Rust programming fun? A question mark is there. After that, there is the placeholder. Placeholder is nothing but a pair of braces or a pair of curly brackets like this. Empty curly brackets. The whole thing is within double quote, comma, the variable's name is fun, close the bracket, semicolon. Next line, closing brace. Our main functions. Opening brace is here. Now this is the closing brace. Fine. It's that very simple. So we are actually asking the question, is Rust programming fun? We are actually putting a question mark. See, then you see the output is as under. I have very clearly mentioned. Is Rust programming fun? A question mark. It's true. We have initialized it the bool with the bool variable with true. So it is true. Is Rust programming fun? A question mark. Then it is true. We have, because we have actually initialized it with the true. Okay, fine. Everything is very, very simple. Now look, we will save everything. Already we have run it. See, is Rust programming fun? Question mark, true. If you want, we will just again try to run it. Yeah. Is Rust programming fun? Question mark is there, true. Fine, it is that very simple. Fine, we will just come to a, see, you please don't forget to create the project first. That's most essential. You have to create the project. The project will be saved automatically in users/admin/eclipse workspace directory. Okay, all those things. Already you know all those things. Now look, we will come to an end.